Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to manage the notifications in the British Airways application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. After you're done with that and you are in the home page, you should look at the top of your left corner and there you will see three lines. Press on it. And here in this page you can just scroll down a little bit and you will find the last option there, which is settings. And here you should select the third option, which is notifications. And you can see here that the only type of notifications in this app are the marketing notifications. And if you want to deactivate them, you can just press on and you can see that it will be turned off. And if you want to activate it again, you can just press on off, sorry, and it will be on now. And if you are done with it, you can just press the checkmark symbol at the top of your right corner and everything that was changed will be saved. So pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.